What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Gary. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install side steps onto your third generation Toyota Tacoma. As a truck owner, you'll probably find yourself in this situation. Do you want to add rock sliders, step bars, or running boards to the side of your truck? And honestly, it'll depend on what you plan to do with your truck and your lifestyle. Truck manufacturers seem to be concerned about clearance, and it looks like newer trucks nowadays keep going higher and higher. Well, in my case, I have other people driving this truck and I also have to haul passengers. So I have already received complaints that this truck is too high for them. So in today's video, I'm going to be installing side steps so that it makes it easier for them to get into this truck. Let's open it up and get started. I've organized everything and am ready to install on the Tacoma. But first, let's quickly go over the inventory. I have two side steps, one for the driver's side, one for the passenger side. There are 3 brackets for each side. There are also 6 large bolts, 6 large washers, 6 large crush washers, 6 small bolts, 6 small washers, and 6 small crush washers for each side. The other 6 are over there, and then there are these 2 end caps. They're going to be used right here to plug these areas to prevent water or debris from getting inside. You know what? I'm going to weigh these items first before I install it onto the truck because I'm curious to find out how much weight I'm adding. I'm going to weigh all these items in this box. If you take a look, it is 2.6 pounds, and I'm going to zero it out. This weight is with one side step with all its brackets and nuts and bolts, and it weighs 24.2 pounds. So let me just add the second one in and we can get a total weight of the side steps. Everything is on the scale now. Guess what the weight is? Surprisingly, it's exactly 50 pounds. So I'm adding on 50 pounds to this Tacoma after I'm done. That'll just give you an idea on how much side steps weigh. I'm sure there are heavier ones out there. In my case, I'm trying to keep it as light as possible. So let's get on to the installation. So guys, I did find out that they are side specific. If you take a look, the lengths are not the same for both of them. So one is specifically for the driver's side, one is specifically for the passenger side. These instructions look confusing. I am facing the front of the truck just to have a better idea on how to orient these brackets. So from what it looks like, I have it backwards, but the front bracket is the small one with 1 slot. The middle bracket is the large one with 2 slots, and the one in the rear is the large bracket with 2 slots. And they are bolted down with 17mm bolts. And these are the bigger ones. There are smaller ones which will be used to attach to the truck. I did not tighten the bolts all the way. I just hand tied them because I know that once I install it on the truck, I still need to adjust it. So I will tighten it once it's up there. Now it's time to attach the side step to the truck. Okay guys, it cannot get any easier than this. There are already existing threaded locations to install any kind of side step, rock slider, or whatever you plan to do on the side of the Tacoma. So let me show you where those locations are. I'm going to start from the rear and move forward so that you guys can see where the threaded connections are. As I move forward, the first 2 are right here. These 2 will be used for the rear bracket. They did have plastic plugs on them, but I just popped them off with a flathead screwdriver. So let's go forward from here. The next 2 are right here. These 2 will be used for the middle bracket. They are existing and they are threaded. They also had plastic caps on them, which I removed with a screwdriver. And here is the last one. This one's for the front bracket and there's only 1 bolt hole to secure it. Here are the plastic plugs I'm talking about, guys. You can either unscrew it out with a flathead screwdriver or just pop them out. I got the side step on, but I did not tighten it because I still want to adjust it to my liking. So from what I'm thinking, I'm gonna adjust it all the way back and just tilt this a little upwards. I've got them installed to my liking. Now I just gotta plug up these ends and I should be done. Looking good. I tightened everything down. And if you guys are wondering, installation is gonna be the same for the other side. I'm so excited. I'm gonna test it out right now. It feels about perfect, right where I step in and right where I step out. Let's give the rear a try. You know what, let me move the camera real quick. You guys won't be able to see this. Okay, so it's the same. It's right where I step in and right where I step out. Just, it feels so natural. Wow, I'm impressed. As far as durability, longevity, reliability, I don't know yet. I'll let you guys know in the future if something bad happens to this thing, but for right now, it feels good. It's got a nice texture to it. My shoe grips on it. Let's hope it lasts. Hopefully you guys learned something from this video. I know I did. If you did, hit that like button to support my channel and also that subscribe button for future Tacoma content. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.